In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom for students. Zoom is a powerful tool for online learning, and knowing how to use it effectively can significantly enhance your experience as a student. Let's dive in step by step. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoom website. Once there, you'll notice various options, but what you want to do first is to sign in to access all the functionalities needed for your class. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the upper right corner of the page. Make sure you click on it. Signing in ensures that you can join your classes and participate in sessions seamlessly. On the sign-in page, you'll encounter several login options. For ease of access, many students opt to log in using their Google account, if your school provides one. Look for and click on the Google logo to proceed with this option. This is a convenient way to sign in without having to remember yet another password, keeping things streamlined when you're juggling multiple platforms. After clicking on the Google sign-in, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the appropriate account that you use for school. If you're using a shared device, make sure you log into your own account to avoid any mix-ups with personal data or meetings. Doing this helps maintain your privacy and keeps your academic activities separate. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Zoom dashboard. One of the most important actions you'll frequently take as a student is joining a meeting. Your teacher or meeting host will typically provide a meeting ID. It's crucial to have this ID handy before proceeding. Once you have this information, locate the Join button. Clicking this will take you to a new page where you can enter your meeting ID. In the space provided, paste the meeting ID you received from your host or teacher. Double check that you've entered it correctly to avoid any errors. It's easy to mistake one number for another, so take a moment to ensure accuracy. Once you've entered the correct meeting ID, click on the Join button. This final step connects you to your class or meeting. If prompted, make sure to allow audio and video permissions if you're expected to interact during the session. And there you have it, you've successfully signed in and joined a meeting on Zoom as a student. With these steps, you can now connect with your classmates and teachers with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you use Zoom, the more comfortable you'll become. Thanks for watching and enjoy your seamless learning experience.